Hello, everyone. The title of my presentation is Living a Fit Life. Did you guys know a third of the country is obese and the US rates are at the highest out of the whole nation with 5 million teens that don't participate in regular sustainable physical activity? Everyone benefits from exercise regardless of age, gender, or race. Exercising can improve someone's health status and decrease a person's risk of developing any diseases. When exercising, it is important to know how to properly target each muscle to maintain health while you age. No one can avoid aging, but it is still important to know what diseases you can prevent by exercising regularly. Targeting each muscle the right way will also help you avoid any injuries. I personally connect to this topic because I have been physically active my whole life by playing sports. Being physically active helps me in all aspects of my life by being energetic, mentally stable, and physically strong. I have also taken a kinesiology class that has taught me several concepts about fitness. So first I will be talking to you about the difference between physical activity and exercising. Second, I will be talking about the difference between aerobic and anaerobic exercises. Third, I will be talking about ways you can prevent injuries and the benefits of exercising. So for my first main point, I would like to provide you with some information about the difference between physical activity and exercising. The difference between physical activity and exercising is huge. Physical activity can be counted for doing anything as long as you are physically moving. For example, having a job that consists of you constantly walking around and moving boxes left to right is an example of being physically active. On the other hand, exercising means performing a physical activity to enhance fitness status. It is performed specifically to enhance health conditions or fitness endurance. So, for example, running or walking on the track is exercising because you are there to specifically work on your stamina. Being physically active will maintain you with the same body composition, but will not enhance your body muscle effectively. According to an article written online called Benefits of Physical Activity, written by Olivia Peter, she says labor can be continuous activity that may actually inhibit the function of one's cardiovascular system rather than boost it as a traditional exercise may normally do. This leads into my next point. Having an effective method of exercising can help you focus on building muscle in each part of your body. If you are motivated but not sure what exercises will best benefit your body composition, this aerobic versus anaerobic concept can help. According to an article written by the MIT medical team called the Center for Health Promotion and Wellness, they say aerobic fitness, can also called cardiorespiratory endurance, measures the heart's ability to pump blood to the muscles during an exercise. During this process, the muscle utilizes oxygen in the blood to not run out of breath. Some aerobic exercise consists of running, cycling, and swimming because these exercises get your blood flow through your whole body, and you need to control your breathing in order to last longer. Some ways you can check to see if your aerobic exercise is working is by measuring your heart rate and by checking your stamina. Edward Lazowski is certified by the American Board of Physical Activity and Rehabilitation. And he says in an article titled, How Much Should the Average Adult Exercise Every Day? He says, get at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of a vigorous aerobic activity a week, or a combination of both. On the other hand, an anaerobic exercise is a different type of exercise because it consists of short in duration but working at a higher intensity with heavier weights. Some anaerobic workouts can be deadlifts, squats, and benching because they require a burst of energy coming from protein or nutrients consumed because protein turns into energy directed towards a muscle. This principle of progression makes sure your body is receiving the proper results by monitoring the workout routines. The way you can see results from an anaerobic exercise can be by checking your duration of exercise or by adding more weight to your reps. Last but not least, I will show you the benefits of exercising on the daily basis. According to the Mayo Clinic staff, aerobic exercise may help lower blood pressure and control blood sugar. It can reduce pain and improve the function with arthritis. If you have any artery diseases, aerobic exercise may help you manage your condition. Exercise also promotes better sleep, regular physical activity, and can help you fall asleep faster. Get better sleep and even deepen your sleep. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle factor of the well-being of yourself because it helps eliminate unhealthy behaviors, chronic health problems such as heart diseases, diabetes, or arthritis. Exercising appropriately enhances the well-being of all your vital organs like the heart, the lungs, and the brain. So today I hope I informed you guys more about the benefits of exercising, like knowing the difference between physical activity and exercising. Also the difference between an anaerobic exercise and an aerobic exercise. And lastly, on ways you can prevent injuries and the benefits of exercising. Exercising is beneficial to everyone, which is why it is important to be informed on different ways to target each muscle. I hope you guys are all a little bit more informed on ways to be healthy. And here to finish off, here's a quote by Jim Rohn: "Take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live." Thank you.